Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to laser cut and paint a whole bunch of different arrows in geometric shapes. Due to the precision of our industrial laser, we can do very sharp things. So for instance here, you see an arrow, and all the inner corners, or inner angles in this case, are sharp. If we did this with a CNC router, it'd actually be kind of rounded. And here's another example here. Here is just the paint came off a little bit. But you can see everything is nice and sharp. And again for this arrow as well. So we can produce this sharpness in basically any material. So if you wanted this to be 1/4 inch acrylic, 1/2 inch acrylic, you wanted it out of MDF, so you can paint it very easily. In this case here, it's just regular plywood that has 3 layers of paint on it. You could also make circles, squares, and basically any shape that you could come up with. Send us your drawing or just pick one from the website and we'll produce it for you. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at our industrial laser making all these different shapes. Getting custom shapes produced in any material at any size is really straightforward. Just send us your drawing or visit the shapes library and just pick something from there. So let's say for instance you wanted 500 squares that were 2.5 inches square, and you wanted them out of, I don't know, 1/4 inch plywood and another 500 made out of black 1/2 inch acrylic. That's all the information I would need to give you a quote to get into production for you. Let's say we're making Christmas ornaments. Let's say here we got a tree and it's a Christmas ornament. We can also personalize each one. So let's say you had a display, you had a nice big tree and you had a whole bunch of different shapes on it, and you wanted each one to be individualized with the person's name or birthday or whatever you wanted, donation amount for a fundraising tree. Just let us know, send us a database, and based off that, again, we could produce however many you want. Your material options are limitless. We go from Corian to wood veneer to laminate to stainless steel to anodized aluminum. Basically whatever you want we can produce for you. Now of course they all have different budgets, so making something out of cardboard would be definitely cheaper than doing it out of stainless steel. But you have to also consider the application. Is it a one-time thing, or is it something that would be used year after year? If it's year after year, you might as well spend a little bit more and get it done in something MDF or a little bit stronger material like plywood. If it's only a one-time thing that's going to be good for a couple of days, just to get it done in cardboard, we can do that.